Stop the scroll. Forget everything you think you know about the Toyota Corolla. This isn't your grandma's grocery getter. This is a 300 horsepower, all-wheel drive, rally-bred beast. We are diving deep into the 2025 Toyota GR Corolla. This is the hot hatch that redefines a legend. Stay tuned because the sound alone will be worth it. Let's get straight to the heart of the matter, the engine. This is the star of the show, Toyota's masterful G160 GTS. It's a tiny, turbocharged 1.6-liter 3-cylinder, but don't let the size fool you. It punches out 300 horsepower and a newly boosted 195 pounds-ft of torque for 2025. That's insane for this segment. But power is nothing without control. That's where the GR4 all-wheel drive system comes in. With a turn of the dial, you can choose a torque split from a daily-friendly 60 to 40, a balanced 50 to 50 for the track, or a tail-happy 30 to 70 for maximum fun. And new for 2025, you now have a choice of the enthusiast favorite 6-speed manual or the lightning-fast new 8-speed GR Direct Automatic Transmission GR-DAT. The addition of the automatic transmission is a game-changer, opening up this incredible machine to a whole new audience. Now, let's talk about the look. This car doesn't whisper sport, it screams rally car. Those blistered wheel arches aren't just for show, they house a wider track for superior handling. Look at the back, a functional diffuser and that iconic, aggressive triple exhaust system. But what if you want some of that Corolla sport look without the full GR insanity? Say hello to the new 2025 Corolla FX trim. It brings an athletic stance with lowered suspension, unique 18-inch satin black wheels, and a bold rear spoiler to the regular Corolla sedan and hatchback lineup. The FX is a great step up, but the GR is pure performance. The functional aero, the stiffer chassis, it's all designed to handle that 300 horsepower. Step inside the GR Corolla and it's clear this cockpit is built around the driver. You have the 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with a dedicated GR meter displaying everything from G-forces to turbo pressure. Every piece of information is critical and right in your sight line. While it's a track toy, it's still a modern Toyota. You get the latest Toyota audio multimedia system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No more fumbling with cords, it's the perfect blend of race car functionality and daily driver convenience. The supportive sport seats hug you through the corners, and even the available heated steering wheel reminds you this is a premium experience. Toyota's Gazoo racing DNA is stitched into every detail. Time to hit the pavement. So, what does all this tech and power feel like on the road? In a word, traction. The GR4AWD system is phenomenal. The car is planted, agile, and inspires massive confidence. With the standard Torsen limited slip differentials and the fine-tuned suspension for 2025, the turn-in is sharp and the body roll is minimal. It just wants to be pushed. And whether you choose the engaging manual with its satisfying rev match or the blisteringly quick new automatic, the gearbox keeps you right in the power band, ready for your next move. The 2025 GR Corolla is more than just a hot hatch. It's Toyota making a bold statement. They took the world's most reliable car and injected it with pure, unadulterated passion. So, there you have it. The 2025 Toyota GR Corolla. The boldest, most powerful, and arguably the most exciting Corolla ever to roll off the production line. It's a true competitor to the best hot hatches in the world, offering incredible performance, rally pedigree, and that legendary Toyota reliability, all for a starting price that's surprisingly competitive for this level of engineering. What do you think? Is the GR Corolla now the king of the hot hatches? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more epic car reviews, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. If you want to see us put the new 8-speed automatic GR Corolla head-to-head against the manual in a drag race, click on the video link that's popping up on your screen right now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.